it's Ophelia, and today I want to show you how to kind of use an old Pokemon tin to grow some plants. I did want to film quite a few little videos like this, so I don't know if I should make it a series, but today I'm showing you me planting some radishes. This may sound a bit silly, but I'm very excited. I've got this little pot and I'm going to fill it up with compost, and I've got this little nursery pot from Flying Tiger, and I am going to show you me planting these little radishes. The Bulbasaur one is actually my friend's tin. I actually am not a fan of fizzy drinks, so I am sort of waiting to drink my one and maybe put it in a cheeky little birthday cocktail, which is kind of peeping up soon, so happy birthday to me in a few weeks, months, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to be using my friend's tin, and she'll be taking the tin back with her so she gets some radishes, I guess. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to grow in my Jigglypuff one yet, but I am really just kind of excited to see how quickly my plants have grown so far, because the ones in the beginning are my plants, but only after a couple of days. If you didn't know, there was recently a heat wave in England, and it meant that the plants shot up really quickly. Every time I checked on them, they grew up really fast. I was initially planning on taking a picture every day to progress, like to mark their progress of their growth, and unfortunately it kind of was too warm to do that. Every time I checked on them, they had grown so much, so I sadly couldn't do that. But it was really fun to see them grow so quickly. I'm just scooping up all this mud into the little pots, trying to pat them in, trying to keep it clean. And yeah, I don't know, I'm not much of a green thumb, so I was quite worried about them dying, and I don't know if I've just gotten better with plants or the heat wave really helped me out there. I have since planted some sunflowers and I think some marigolds. Hopefully they come up. And yeah, if you have any ideas of what I should plant in my really cute Jigglypuff tin, let me know, because I want it to kind of match the plant. I thought that radishes would look really cute inside the Bulbasaur because it has kind of that like bulbous bit of it. I don't know, obviously Bulbasaur with the plant sprouting out, so I thought anything with green coming up would look really cute for the Bulbasaur. But I don't know what I can plant that would look cute inside of Jigglypuff, so please let me know. And I have to admit, at this bit, I actually got some of the seeds stuck in my nails. But luckily you guys don't have to see me try and take them out because it was a nightmare. And I'm just trying to shuffle it onto my hand. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing more series like this, but I find it really relaxing to just kind of watch people doing things like this. I just love plants so much, but as I said, I'm not a green finger, but I have managed to keep a couple of plants alive this entire year, so I don't know if we should give me those beautiful green fingers yet, but I don't know. I would really like to see these plants survive for the next year. I am really trying to get better with plants and look into them and see what I can do to help them. My bedroom is really cold in winter, but it's really warm in summer, which means the placement of the window helps plants grow in summer like so quickly, but they die in winter, so I need to find a better way to keep them safe in the colder months. I hope that I can make sure that they'll stay safe, and I'm gonna hand it off to pass me, so bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. This has been really fun. I can't wait to see how these little fellas grow. I'll keep you updated. I can't wait to use this little cute Jigglypuff tin. Hopefully I can make some more DIY kind of reusing planty videos soon, so stay tuned. Bye! Oops, I forgot to put the hat on. All done. Nice.